Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This morning I would like to get you back to my channel, and I would like to do a further explore in the other corner of the village of mine where I live now. And then I would like to show you one of the other tropical plant as the second major plant which is quite popular in the island of Java. And this is coming from the family of the mahogany, or in botanical term we usually call them Sweetenia mahogany. So in this area where I'm standing now, I would like to show you some trees of mahogany. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are exactly at one of the private mahogany garden, where in this small garden of mahogany live more than 100 trees of mahogany. And most of these mahogany trees are not more than 17 or 18 years old. Ladies and gentlemen, the Sweetenia mahogany family can live everywhere, starts from 0 to 1,000 meters above the sea level. They can live nicely and easily. And mahogany family is one of a very tough types of tropical plants ever, and even they can live in the very long term dry season, especially in the island of Java, for example. In this island we usually have a very long terms of dry season where there is no rain at all, but these trees or this plant can live as pretty as well. The height of mahogany plant can reach more than 40 meters high, and the diameter of this wood stem can reach until 100 centimeters, and it is considered one of our tropical big wood. Ladies and gentlemen, this is one of the example of the mahogany tree, and you can have a look at the stem as well. And when we are getting closer, let's me get close a little bit then, and then you can see the texture of mahogany stem inclusive to the texture of mahogany skin. And actually, in natural point of view, if we are looking at this texture of the tree, then it sounds much more varieties. It sounds much more beautiful compared to the texture of the teak wood or jati wood in the island of Java. And you can have a look here. Yes, this is the texture. Yeah, when we have a rainy season, then this stem looks a bit wet and white in color, but when we have a very long term of dry season, and then we are going to have the other types, the other color. Yeah, for example, here in front of us, I can show you. This is the color when we have got a very long term of dry season in Indonesia, and the color changed to be light brown combined by white color. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to show you the fruit of mahogany. So this is the fruit of mahogany. It's quite big. Yeah, this is the fruit. And what is inside? I would like to show you again. This is the other fruit, and I would like to show you what we would like to find inside. So this is what we would like to find inside. Can you see? So this is the inside parts of the fruit. So in fact, this fruit consists of some cells, and this is the other cell. This is the other cell. And in this cell, each other, we can find the seed of mahogany. Yeah, this is the seed of mahogany. Looks very nice. Looks like a very nice brown color of leaves. But what is more unique and interesting to know is at the end of this capsule, yeah, there are some seeds here, looks like leaves, and at the end of this leaves can be found a capsule where we can find the leaves, where we can find the seeds of the mahogany. Yeah, I would like to peel one of these what's called that capsule, and then yeah, when we try to peel the capsule of these fruits, and then we can find the real seed of mahogany, usually always white in color. Yeah, so there you are. This is white in color, and usually these seeds of mahogany taste quite bitter. It is absolutely bitter in taste, and so that is why in the old time in Sumatra Island, where I was born, long time before quinine was found against malaria disease, the local people in Sumatra like consuming these mahogany seeds against malaria disease, since it tastes quite bitter, and they have been quite sure when they have been consuming this seed of mahogany continuously, they believe that the malaria mosquito won't be coming to try to bit them. So this is the function of what's called that mahogany seed in Sumatra Island long time ago, before quinine was found from West Java, Bandung. And also, still in Sumatra, the local people believe when people keep eating and consuming this kind of seed, they can believe they can also avoid themselves from the smoking behavior. So whenever someone would like to stop smoking in Sumatra, it is very easy. They will keep consuming this kind of seeds continuously, at least 3 or 4 days, and after that they will lose their appetite of smoking anymore, because they have found that their lips are quite better, believe it or not. Ladies and gentlemen, mahogany can be found not only in the island of Java, but mahogany can be found also in the other parts of Indonesia, like Kalimantan and Sumatra, Sarawak in Malaysia, and also in Sri Lanka. But the real country where this plant is coming from is actually in the western part of India. So this is one of the Indian tropical plant, and in Indonesia this mahogany has been imported. Maybe they have been brought by some Indian merchants since in the early of 13th centuries. So at the moment, the existence of this plant hasn't been endangered. It hasn't been endangered because we still can find quite a lot of mahogany everywhere, especially the island of Java. We can find started from Jakarta, the West Java, and also Central Java like Yogyakarta, and also in Surabaya, East Java, Banyuwangi, etc. So at the moment, mahogany is still quite easy to be found, and this is also one of a very nice material whenever you like to make your furnitures, especially when you try to combine between mahogany and then the teakwood or jati of Java Island. And most of the local people houses in this island, they still keep combining between the teakwood and then mahogany. So this is the what's called that some information, let's say a short story about mahogany. So ladies and gentlemen, I think that's enough for today, and I would be very pleased enough if you can give some commentaries in our columns after this video has been installed in YouTube later on. And would you please keep subscribing? I mean, for those who hasn't subscribed my channel, would you please subscribe from the channel to lengthen up the axis of the channel. And ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next opportunity and chance, of course, in the next coming video. Hanafi, Central Java, Yogyakarta. Ciao.